What if I told you that pursuing your biggest goals doesn't have to mean sacrificing your well-being? Let's uncover the secret to making it possible. Imagine this. You're driven, ambitious, constantly striving to reach the next level. You push yourself hard, setting high standards and working long hours, all in the name of achieving your dreams. But sometimes in those quiet moments, you wonder, is it worth the cost to your health, your relationships, and your peace of mind? It's a common struggle for high achievers, that feeling that ambition and well-being are at odds, pulling you in opposite directions. Studies show that nearly 70% of professionals feel that their drive to succeed often leads to burnout, anxiety, and health issues. You've been told you have to hustle hard, but is that really the only way? The good news, balancing ambition and well-being isn't about choosing one over the other. It's about creating a sustainable approach to success. Here are 3 keys to balancing these two seemingly opposite forces so you can thrive without burnout. First, redefine success on your own terms. Rather than measuring success purely by external achievements, think about what truly brings you fulfillment. Success isn't just about accolades. It's about living a life that aligns with your values. For example, if spending time with family or having time for self-care matters to you, make those priorities part of your definition for success. This shift in perspective helps reduce stress and reminds you that you're more than just your goals. Second, schedule your well-being as intentionally as you do your work. Just like you plan meetings or project deadlines, carve out specific times for rest, exercise, hobbies, and connections. Studies have shown that people who schedule self-care activities are 35% more likely to follow through, even on busy days. Treating these activities as non-negotiable not only supports your health, but actually boosts your productivity and your resilience. Finally, focus on progress, not perfection. Ambition often comes with high expectations, but aiming for constant perfection can lead to burnout. Instead, celebrate each small step forward, knowing that consistent progress is more sustainable than sprinting toward perfection. For instance, set weekly or monthly goals instead of obsessing over daily achievements. This helps you stay on track while giving yourself room to recharge and enjoy the journey along the way. So, as you can see, balancing ambition and well-being isn't an impossible task. By redefining success, prioritizing self-care, and focusing on progress over perfection, you're creating a path to achieve your goals without losing yourself in the process. As author and psychologist Dr. Henry Cloud said, "You get what you tolerate, so choose carefully what you allow into your life." Remember, you can pursue your dreams without sacrificing your health or happiness. You've got this.